Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with news on the weather system impacting Jamaica. A tropical storm watch is in effect for the island.
A tropical storm watch means a tropical cyclone containing winds of 34 to 63 knots or higher poses a possible threat generally within 48 hours.
Now, for days, the Met Service has been monitoring a broad area of low pressure across the southwestern Caribbean, which is responsible for the inclement weather.
And Romaine Robinson now joins us live with the latest. Romaine, we've been under severe weather alert and now the rain is here. Which parishes have experienced the most rainfall so far?
The heaviest rainfall so far has been recorded in St. Elizabeth. I know that up until about 5 o'clock this afternoon, we did see sections of southern St. Elizabeth closing in on 100 millimeters of rainfall for the 24-hour period, 7 o'clock last night going into the 5 o'clock period when the rain gauge was read. So St. Elizabeth has the highest, and then as we move further towards the east, we have also higher amounts in Manchester as well as sections of Clarendon, St. Catherine, and some parts of the corporate area.
All right, I understand we're under a tropical storm watch right now. Tell us some more about this weather system.
No, the system is still an area of low pressure. It's not yet defined as a tropical storm by the National Hurricane Center, but we can issue tropical storm watches for systems which do pose a threat to the island, which could become named systems within 24 to 48 hours. So that's the reason the Met Office is issuing a tropical storm watch for the system.
So, Romaine, what's the probability of this system developing into the 22nd named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season?
It's very likely. There's a strong likelihood that the system could be named tonight going into tomorrow morning. So we could be having the 22nd storm that should be Vince named sometime between now and about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning.
All right, and the big question on everybody's mind, what can we expect or what should we expect in the next 24 to 48 hours?
The strong winds are expected to continue, and we do have some gusts in the region of the tropical storm force strength, especially in offshore areas and some sections of southern parishes. And the rainfall is also expected to continue. We're looking for as much as about 200 millimeters. That's basically over the 2-day period between today and tomorrow, ending about midnight tomorrow. So that's 200 millimeters for a 48-hour period. That's quite a bit of rainfall.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much, Romaine, and stay tuned for more details later on when Romaine will actually have more in the weather report and forecast.
Now, in the meantime,